Hello and welcome back to Only One and Zero. So how to get SSL for free? Thanks to a tool called Certbot. For those of you who don't know what Certbot is, here's a quick explainer. Certbot is a CLI tool to get free SSL certificates valid for 90 days. You must have seen the implementation in Nginx. However, this video we will learn how to install SSL certificate manually in our cPanel. To start with, let us first install Certbot. Use the command as per your operating system. Once installed, we run this command to generate certificate. But before jumping to that, let's understand the command. To begin with, we have sudo. Use sudo if you have used it during installation. Second is the Certbot CLI itself. And the third command, certonly, tells Certbot to only generate certificate and store it in local. In the third command manual, we tell the Certbot that we will be adding the certificates manually and the Certbot CLI doesn't have to do it automatically for us. The next argument, preferred challenge, tells the Certbot CLI as to which challenge we wish to choose. There are multiple challenges to choose from. Here we will use DNS as I feel it's quick. You can also do a file upload called HTTP challenge. And the last argument, followed by -t, is just the domain name itself for which you wish to generate your SSL certificate. If done successfully, Certbot will ask you to create a TXT record and add it to your DNS. Let's do that now. Simply go to your DNS provider and go to DNS settings. Over there, you need to add a TXT DNS record. Make sure the type of the DNS is TXT. Now just copy paste the value generated from Certbot and click on save. Now go back to the Certbot terminal and press enter. If all goes well, you would get a message from Certbot saying that the certificates are generated and are saved. When you would see the files in Certbot directory, you would see 5 files. We will use these 5 files, or rather 2 of them, to upload the certificates to our website. So for that, we'll go to our cPanel and upload our SSL certificates in import SSL on manage SSL. Now the thing to note here is fullchain.pem file goes in the certificate text area, whereas the privkey.pem file goes in the private key text area. You can keep the last option as blank as it's an optional and click on save. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your SSL certificate. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.